Imagine you work multiple jobs to provide for your wife and children. You pay the bills, you stay faithful, and you truly believe your marriage will last for a very long time. You are a loving father, a committed husband, and you do everything in your power to make your family happy. But one day, your wife tells you she's leaving, not because you cheated, not because you were abusive, but simply because she thinks she can do better. Fast forward to now. That same woman is broke, she's struggling, and she's reduced to being just a side piece for a man who will never take her seriously. I came across an article that is becoming way too common in our society today, and I want to share this with all men. And I want you to pay attention to this, because if you're married or you're planning to be, you must understand this reality, because if you ignore these red flags, trust me, this could happen to you. Stay with me because we are about to go deep. Welcome back. Here is the story. A woman was married to a hard-working man, a good man. They built a life together, and he truly believed their marriage would last. He thought he had a wife who loved him for who he was, not just for what he could provide. He worked hard, sometimes picking up extra shifts and sacrificing his own wants so that his wife and children could have a good life. He even paid up her debt from before they got married, wanting to give her a fresh start. And what did he get in return? Divorce papers. She told him she was unhappy in the marriage and wanted more out of life. Just like that, everything he built was gone. She left, chasing the so-called better option, but reality hit her real hard. That better man only saw her as a temporary fling. He didn't put a ring on her finger. He paid her bills for a while, used her, and discarded her just like that. Now, she is no longer a wife. She is just a piece struggling financially and wanting to get her ex-husband back, regretting her choices. Meanwhile, the man she left behind is trying to heal from the heartbreak of realizing that he was nothing more to his wife than a financial plan, and so he is trying to build up his life again. Men, this is not just a story, it is a trend in our society today. We live in a time where women are constantly told never to settle for something less. Social media pushes the idea that there is always a better man out there, someone richer, taller, and more exciting. They compare their real life to the fake highlight reels they see online. A good husband and father becomes so boring. Proverbs 14 verse 1 says, "The wise woman builds a house, but with her own hands the foolish one tears hers down." That's exactly what is happening. Women tearing down their own homes, believing there is something better out there, only to realize too late that they had it good all along. Men, here are the red flags to watch out for in women. Number 1, a woman who has a materialistic mindset. If a woman is obsessed with designer bags, luxury vacations, and living beyond her means, please run. A woman who constantly needs more will never be satisfied with a stable and normal life. She will always believe that she deserves better, and guess what? If you're not providing it, she will start looking elsewhere. Number 2, a woman with a history of financial irresponsibility. If she is drowning in debt, constantly shopping here and there, and she has no sense of saving, this is a major warning sign. A woman like this will see you as her personal ATM. You might love her, but she loves what you can provide. Number 3, the influence of social media and friends on this woman. Who does she listen to? This matters. Bad company corrupts good character, my friends, because the Bible said so in 1 Corinthians 15:33. If she worships Instagram models, consumes content that encourages women to never settle, or surrounds herself with single friends who do not have anything to offer, she is feeding herself toxic advice that could ruin your relationship. 4, a sense of entitlement. A good woman appreciates a hard-working man. A bad one feels so entitled to a luxury lifestyle that she didn't earn. If she constantly says, "I deserve this," but put in no effort, that's a red flag there. Number 5, lack of respect for you as the man. Respect is non-negotiable. Let me tell you this, men. If she constantly compare you to other men, downplays your hard work, or make you feel like you're not enough, please leave that relationship. A woman who does not respect you will eventually leave you, or worse, cheat on you while you are out there working to provide for her. Number 6, no ability to handle hard times. Marriage isn't always smooth sailing. There will be struggles, financial difficulties, family issues, and personal challenges. If she cannot handle hardship and always threatens to leave when things get really tough, she's not a wife, she's a liability. So run for your life. Number 7, if this woman has history of leaving relationship easily, please men, look at her past. Has she left good men before? Does she have a pattern of jumping from one relationship to another? If she has a habit of abandoning men who did nothing wrong, she will do the same to you. In conclusion, men, I'm telling you this because I want you to win in your life and in your relationships. Marriage can be beautiful, yeah, but only if you choose the right woman. Do not be blinded by beauty or all the things she carries. Do not let loneliness push you into settling for a woman who sees you as a stepping stone instead of a life partner. And to the ladies watching this, if you have a good man, appreciate him. The grass isn't always greener on the other side. Proverbs 31 verse 10 says, a woman of noble character who can find? She is worth far more than rubies. This is the kind of woman you should be. And men, this is the kind of woman you should seek. One who values family, loyalty, and respect. A woman who will build with you, not just take from you. That is what you should look out for. So, before you commit, ask yourself, is she here because she loves me or for the lifestyle? Because the answer could determine the rest of your life. If you got value from this video, hit that like button. Share this with someone who might need to hear this. Subscribe for more real relationship talks. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss the next one. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.